guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make stuffed chicken. Now, the way I'm going to make the stuffed chicken is the Ruth Chris way. So if you ever been to Ruth Chris, you know that stuffed chicken is mad good. So now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it just like Ruth Chris. What you're going to need today is, depending on how many people you're trying to serve, you're going to get a pack of chicken cutlet breasts. The thick ones, not the thin slice, right? Any type of seasoning like you always use. Cheddar cheese, extra sharp, regular sharp cheese. You're going to need this the ranch dips. This is the main part of making this chicken. You need this ranch dip. Next, you're gonna need cream cheese. You could buy any one. I didn't get the Philadelphia one because they didn't have any more. But cream cheese and toothpicks, not for your teeth though. A bowl and a fork, a knife. So this is what you're gonna have to start off doing. You're gonna slice from, like, say here to here, but don't slice it where it's completely half. You're just gonna make like a little hole to do the stuffing, okay? So that's your pocket. What to do now is make the actual stuffing sauce. So you are going to need, this is 8 ounces worth of cream cheese. You're going to use the whole pack. And no, I'm not using the whole pack just for one chicken. I have multiple pieces of chicken. I just only decided to use one. You also want to make sure that you give your cream cheese some time to get soft, so it's easier to mix. Now, you see how it's just easy to just mix. If you do it like while it's like really, really cold, it's gonna be too hard. Okay, now you're gonna take Italian seasoning, or you could use basil. You could use like regular parsley flakes, stuff like that. And you're just gonna put a little bit. I don't measure my food either, so you just have to. Just pay attention to what you're doing. You're not putting like a whole bunch. Like, say this is enough. Then you're going to take your ranch dip. Make sure it's the powder one. Now, I know I'm not measuring, but just like look at what you're doing as you're going. This is very salty. So the first time I made it, I put so much because I'm like, I want it to taste like how it's supposed to taste. No, do not use a lot. It's salty. So just like dab, like a little bit. You can use this multiple times too. So you can literally just close it up because honestly, you don't use this whole pack. This is a little 1 ounce thing. A little bit. Now you're going to take your cheese. Not measuring. Let me see if that's enough for now. You're just going to keep mixing after this. Oh, and a little bit of garlic powder. You can put a little bit of garlic powder in it. This is not the part that's like you're seasoning your chicken. Like, this is just for the ingredient that goes inside. So, now I'm going to mix. And I am a mess. Do you see this? Honestly, that's going to happen though, because mixing cream cheese is not like the easiest thing to do. So, bear with me. done mixing, this is how it's gonna look after. Okay, now this is done. This is gonna wait. I'm gonna start my oven. You can put your oven on 350, that's fine. So now you have your pocket and everything. But what I'm gonna do before I put this in, I just wanna season it. And do not season it a lot, because I'm telling you, by the time you eat with the whole thing and you add like a little bit of like the gravy that falls to the bottom, it's gonna be too salty. So just chill. This is my seasoned chicken. Now I just have to start the stuffing. Gonna look after you stuff it, right in here, and this is how the top is gonna look. You see that, you see that, you see that. Now that's what the toothpicks is for. I know that I've stuffed it a lot. So what you do here is, yes, I told y'all since the first episode, I'm clumsy, I dropped everything. You're going to use the toothpicks to go around and cage all of the stuffing in. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. You see it's caged off? Yes, some of it is going to spill out. Some of it is going to be at the bottom of the thing, but it's fine. Like, it's not that serious. Now I'm just going to go and do the same thing for the second piece of chicken. This is going to be the finished product. And I will get back to you guys when it's done.
You was something special. You was something special, I could tell by when I met you. Good convos, but the wordplay kept it sexual. Intellectual, I was nervous when I stepped to you. You told me what you ain't like and what's acceptable.